Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video of our GATE 2020 question paper solution series. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the future updates. And yes, you can always comment your doubts in comment box below. So here is the question. In the given circuit, the two-port network has the impedance matrix Z is equal to 40, 60, 60, 120. The value of ZL for which maximum power is transferred to the load is blank ohm. So here one circuit is given, we have to calculate ZL for which maximum power is transferred. So first we have to disconnect this ZL and calculate this equivalent resistance of this circuit by the method of Thevenin equivalent resistance. For calculating that value, I am just redrawing this circuit with the load, disabling the load, because we want to calculate the RTH, and for that we should disable the load. If there is a current source, we open circuit it, and if there is a voltage source, we just short circuit it. Here there is a voltage source, I just shorted it because it's a voltage source, and as you are seeing, this is a V2, this is a V1, here is I1 and here is I2. So for calculate, we are just providing external voltage of V2, say V2. So we have the matrix. In the matrix, V1 is equal to, from the matrix, V1 is equal to 40 I1 plus 60 I2, and V2 is equal to 60 I1 plus 120 I2. And from here we know that V1 is equal to minus 10 I1, and if we put this value in here we get minus 10 I1 is equal to 40 I1 plus 60 I1, and if we get this here, this is a 50 minus 50 I1 is equal to 60 I2. Here is I2, and so I1 is equal to 60 upon minus 50 I2 is equal to 6 by 5 I2. We have another equation. We will put this value into this equation. So we have V2 is equal to 60 I1 is minus 6 upon 5 I2 is plus 120 I2 is equal to 60. This 5 into 12 is 60. So, and 12 into 6 is 72, and so minus 72 I2 plus 120 I2. If we subtract 72 from 120, we will get, for this I using this calculator. There is no necessary, but for introduction of this calculator I am using it. This is a calculator which will be provided to you in your GATE exam. Yeah, you can find the link in the description, and it also has a Android version. If you download it on your mobile, then you can use it whenever you want, and I suggest try and practice as much as possible with this calculator, and speed up your calculation, reduce your time for calculating any equation or anything, summation. So everything is available here. I am just doing 120 minus 72 is equal to is 48. So we get the answer here. Actually not the answer, we have 48 I2, and we want to find the resistance which is V2 upon I2, that is 48 ohm. So we got the RTH which is nothing but this V2 upon I2 is equal to 48 ohm, and this 48 ohm should be the value of ZL to get the maximum power transfer. So here is answer is 48 ohm. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel because we are bringing more videos on GATE series.